Hey, what's up you guys? In today's video, you're gonna learn how to create a dramatic filter to change your photo's appearance by applying a color lookup adjustment layer in Photoshop. Okay, so once you are in Photoshop and you have your image open, the first thing you need to do is just go to adjustment layer and click on color lookup. Then from the properties panel, what you need to do is just click on the first drop down and just pick whatever filter that you want to do for your photo. Like in this case, I'm going to go with moonlight, or change it to late sunset. And that's how easy and simple it is in Photoshop to apply a filter and change the dramatic appearance of your photo. Thanks for watching.